Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install code blocks for Windows 10, for Windows 11 and in laptop or your desktop PC. So let's get started real quick. Alright, first of all, you just need to open up your browser, then search for code blocks. Here we go. Then, as you can see, there are lots of websites, but you need to go to the codeblocks.org. Go to that website, and on the left of this website, you will find downloads. So click on the downloads, and from the downloads, here you can see there is an option called download the binary release. Just tap on that option. And from here, if you have Windows PC, then tap on that first option. As you can see, it is for Windows 10. It is totally compatible with Windows 11. We will only go with CodeBlocks 20.03 MG MinGW setup. Why? Because the file itself comes with the compiler. So you have no issues, you will get no issues with running any code for C or C++. So you can download the file from FOSSAV and sourceforge.net, which is also a safe option, a safe website to download your files. So I will go with FOSSAV. And it will automatically started downloading. As you can see, code blocks 20.03 MINGW. So make sure that your file named exactly like this, otherwise there will be issues, I am saying. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully downloaded the file. Then let's open the file. And it's really easy to install. Just double tap on the file you have downloaded, then go with the next option and I agree option to turn, then go with the I agree option. And most importantly, you can see here are default install, selecting all the options you have. All right, then go with the next and go with install. If you want to change your path or destination folder, just tap on the browser and select that folder. I'm going with C folder, then that's why I am going to press on the install. Alright, as you can see, our installation has been done. So do you want to run the code blocks now? Yes. Let's go. Alright, as you can see, we have successfully opened our code blocks. So let's run a code to ensure that my program or code blocks runs exactly perfect. So that's why I'm going to file, new and empty file. Alright, so let's run our first code in code blocks. So that's our first code. But if you tap on the build and run, you can see the file we need to build and run is to be saved. So I have written this code on C++ programming language. So I will go with naming first code, and make sure you are going to save this file with .cpp. If you are going to code in C++ language, then .cpp, otherwise go with .c for C programming only. Alright, then click on save and let's wait. And as you can see, our code has been run successfully.